Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook goat's meat, and what we need today is 1 large red onion. We need fresh turmeric, ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, capsicum, carrots, tomatoes, salt, this is chili oil, and 2 mutton cubes. So you add the garlic, ginger to the meat, and some rosemary if you have, salt. So I've put it on a gas stove. I'm going to let it boil for some minutes. While our meat is boiling, we add cooking oil to another pan, as you see. First we put the onion. Add the capsicum, I really love the aroma from the capsicum. So you're now adding our carrots and the turmeric at the same time. So I've added my tomatoes after a few seconds. Add salt, chili oil, and the cubes. So we are going to be frying these for about 10 minutes until they are all tender. Looks really nice. I love the way the spices have blended in all together. So I've put everything in my small blender. This one I sacrificed it for just ingredients, and I'll be showing you how everything looks like after. This is what it looks like. It's very thick. I like to do it this way because all the ingredients blend in together and you feel like every single flavor in your mouth when you taste it. I've drained all the water from the meat, and I removed some of the ingredients like the ginger. You wouldn't want someone to bite the ginger when they're eating their meat. So you use the water that was boiling the meat to rinse the blender. You wouldn't want to miss out on anything. So I'm going to boil it again and we'll see how it looks like. So we are going to let it boil for 10 minutes. That's the flavor can go into the meat. So our goat's meat looks like this after cooking it. The curry is very tasty. If you've liked my video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos.